In the vast, arid landscapes of Mexico, a discovery was made in the 1,930 seconds that continues to challenge everything we know about human origins. Deep within a mining tunnel, two skeletons lay side by side, one a normal human female, the other a skull so profoundly anomalous, so utterly other, that it was quickly dubbed the Starchild Skull. Initially dismissed as a deformed human, perhaps suffering from hydrocephalus, the skull's truly bizarre features begged for closer inspection. And what scientists found, decades later, would ignite one of the most polarizing debates in paleoanthropology. This isn't just about a strange-looking skull. This is about what it means to be human, and whether we were ever truly alone on this planet. The Starchild Skull, estimated to be around 900 years old, immediately presents glaring differences from a standard human skull. Enlarged cranial capacity. Its brain volume is significantly larger than an average human's, despite being from a much smaller individual. Unusual bone density. The bone is thinner and lighter, yet remarkably more durable and flexible than typical human bone. Absence of frontal sinuses. Humans have frontal sinuses. The Starchild Skull has none. Orbital differences. The eye sockets are unusually shallow and shaped differently. Foramen magnum. The opening at the base of the skull, where the spinal cord connects, is positioned further forward than in humans, suggesting an upright posture unlike anything we've seen in Homo sapiens. These aren't just deformities. These are fundamental structural differences that point to a genetic anomaly far beyond anything medical science can explain for a living human. The DNA controversy, a hybrid enigma. For years, the skull was studied, debated, and often ridiculed. But the real game changer came with DNA analysis. Early mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, tests, which trace maternal lineage, confirmed human DNA markers. Critics immediately seized on this, declaring the Starchild Skull 100% human and a case of severe hydrocephalus. However, subsequent, more advanced DNA sequencing in the 2010 seconds revealed something far more complex and startling. While human milty DNA was present, the nuclear DNA, which contains genetic information from both parents, showed significant anomalies. Some researchers claimed to find non-human sequences within the nuclear DNA. Specific genetic markers found in human DNA were either entirely absent or radically altered in the Starchild. This wasn't merely a mutation. It hinted at a genetic blueprint that was, at least in part, not from Earth. Theory A: an unknown human subspecies or mutation. One theory suggests the Starchild represents an extreme yet natural mutation within the human lineage, perhaps an unknown subspecies or a severe genetic condition that uniquely altered its skeletal structure. But the sheer number of distinct anatomical differences, coupled with the unusual bone properties, makes it difficult to dismiss as simply a severe birth defect. How could so many fundamental changes occur simultaneously without being linked to a known syndrome? The Starchild's resilience and apparently healthy life, it lived for years, also argue against a debilitating deformity. This theory demands we expand our understanding of human genetic variability to an unprecedented degree. Theory B: the alien-human hybrid. This is where the Starchild truly enters the realm of Brewed Tales. If the non-human DNA sequences are confirmed, and if the anatomical differences are truly beyond human variation, then the only logical conclusion is that the Starchild represents a hybrid being. Was it the offspring of a human and an extraterrestrial? This theory, while sensational, attempts to reconcile the conflicting DNA results, human maternal lineage, non-human paternal or other genetic input, and the unique physical characteristics. Imagine a highly advanced extraterrestrial species, perhaps visiting Earth 900 years ago, engaging with early human populations. The Starchild, then, would be tangible proof of such an encounter, a biological bridge between two worlds. The Starchild Skull remains a profound enigma. It's a physical challenge to our accepted definitions of human. Whether it's an extreme evolutionary branch, a unique genetic anomaly, or the literal embodiment of an alien-human hybrid, its existence demands a re-evaluation of our past. What unknown forces shaped this child? And what secrets does its peculiar skull still hold about our place in the universe? Tell us in the comments, what do you think the Starchild Skull represents? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Brewed Tales of History for more shocking secrets and forbidden knowledge. Keep questioning everything.